We were at my hometown up in Glasgow. We were in their brewery one day and it was in the middle of a weekday. And they were just shoulder to shoulder packed. And my wife looks at me and says, "How does Glasgow have one of these and not Townsend?" And that's when I started watching her gears turn in her head and went, oh boy, my life's about to get real busy. My name is Tad Fuhrman and I am co-owner of Canyon Ferry Brewing with my wife, Kelli Gibbs. We opened in early June of 2019. So we saw an opportunity. We had the resources to go for it, so we did. So we try to keep 9 beers on tap at all times, with 6 flagship beers and 3 rotational taps to move along with the seasons. So the recipes created here at Canyon Ferry Brewing are all my wife's. They're all hers. She has the background with the education from Portland State. She's the one that did the internship with one of the breweries in Missoula. So when it comes to new recipe creation or anything on brew day, it's all her. I would say our customer base is a combination of both out-of-town travelers as well as local. But in our summer months, incredible amount of people traveling through. There is no shortage of hiking paths, biking paths, ATV trails. You name it, we've got it somewhere within our county. One of the top ones would probably be the lake, whether it's recreating in the summer, ice fishing in the winter, as well as hunting. We have one of the best elk regions just right outside of town here, and you certainly can't go wrong with Fall Fest. I mean, our little town swells up to nearly 10,000 people that weekend, just because it's just a great event with nothing but free entertainment and lots of people, lots of good food, lots of good beer. We do have a 2-level tap room here, which anyone's welcome to sit at. It's a nice little space. You open up the white windows, it feels like you're just hanging out on someone's deck. It's really nice. So there is a history of brewing in Townsend. Thomas Dixon was the name of the first brewer here in Townsend. He opened his brewery on Lower Deep Creek Road in 1900. This lot we currently are sitting on here was his saloon where he sold his beer. When customers come in here, really I'm just looking for them to have a relaxed, good time, sip on a couple of delicious craft beers, and just enjoy themselves and relax. I want to see them go out with lower blood pressure than when they came in. We're just simple folk around here. Nothing complex.